Mastering ISO 10011. ISO 10011 is a power grab for operational supremacy. What is the primary objective that our organization aims to achieve by implementing ISO 10011, which focuses on guidelines for auditing management systems to enhance its operational excellence and overall performance? As I sat in the conference room, surrounded by the leadership team of a prominent manufacturing company, I couldn't help but think about the daunting task ahead of us. They had invited me to help them implement ISO 10011, a set of guidelines for auditing management systems, to take their operational excellence to the next level. The CEO, a no-nonsense individual, looked me straight in the eye and said, "Peter, we need to get this right. Our competition is breathing down our neck, and our customers are demanding more. We can't afford to make mistakes." I nodded in understanding, knowing that the stakes were high. As we began our journey, I realized that the key to success lay not in the ISO standard itself, but in understanding the context and nuances of the organization. I spent the first few weeks immersing myself in the company's culture, speaking to employees, observing processes, and analyzing data. What struck me was the complexity of their operations, with multiple plants, vendors, and stakeholders involved. One of the first challenges we faced was designing an audit process that would be robust, yet practical. I recall a heated debate with the quality team, who were adamant that they needed to audit every single process, no matter how small. I cautioned them that this approach would lead to audit fatigue, and we would end up with a compliance-oriented culture rather than a culture of continuous improvement. After several rounds of discussion, we agreed on a risk-based approach, focusing on the most critical processes that had the greatest impact on customer satisfaction and business performance. This not only streamlined our audit process, but also helped us allocate resources more effectively. As we delved deeper into the implementation process, I encountered another hurdle. The production team was skeptical about the value of auditing, seeing it as an administrative burden. I spent hours on the shop floor, talking to production supervisors and line workers, explaining how auditing could help them identify opportunities for improvement and reduce waste. I also involved them in the audit process, empowering them to take ownership of their areas of responsibility. One of the most significant breakthroughs came when we discovered a critical vulnerability in our supply chain management. A thorough audit revealed that one of our key vendors was not meeting our quality standards, putting our entire operation at risk. By working closely with the vendor, we were able to implement corrective actions and prevent a potentially disastrous situation. Throughout the implementation process, I was acutely aware of the need for ethical judgment. It would have been easy to turn a blind eye to certain non-conformities or compromise on quality to meet production targets, but I knew that would be a recipe for disaster. Instead, I encouraged the team to adopt a zero-tolerance policy towards quality issues, even if it meant delaying production or incurring additional costs. As the months went by, the organization began to transform before our eyes. Employees were more engaged, processes were more efficient, and customer satisfaction scores began to rise. The CEO, who had been skeptical at first, was now a champion of the ISO 10011 implementation, seeing the tangible benefits it brought to the business. In the end, what struck me most was the human element of operational excellence. It wasn't just about implementing a standard or following a set of guidelines. It was about creating a culture of continuous improvement, where employees felt empowered to make a difference. As I packed my bags to leave, I felt a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that this organization would continue to thrive long after I was gone. The primary objective of implementing ISO 10011 is to establish a structured approach to auditing management systems, which enables organizations to enhance their operational excellence and overall performance. This international standard provides guidelines for auditing management systems, ensuring that organizations can assess their management systems' effectiveness in achieving their intended outcomes. By implementing ISO 10011, organizations can ensure that their auditing processes are conducted in a consistent and reliable manner, providing a comprehensive evaluation of their management systems. This enables organizations to identify areas of strength and weakness, opportunities for improvement, and potential risks and threats. The implementation of ISO 10011 also helps organizations to improve their audit programs, ensuring that they are robust, efficient, and effective in driving operational excellence. One of the key benefits of implementing ISO 10011 is the enhancement of operational excellence. By adopting a structured approach to auditing management systems, organizations can ensure that their processes are aligned with the requirements of their management systems, eliminating inefficiencies and reducing waste. This leads to improved productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction, ultimately resulting in enhanced operational excellence. Another significant objective of implementing ISO 10011 is to improve overall performance. By identifying areas of weakness and opportunities for improvement, organizations can take corrective actions to address these gaps, leading to improved performance. The implementation of ISO 10011 also enables organizations to set targets for improvement, monitor progress, and evaluate the effectiveness of their management systems in achieving these targets. In addition, implementing ISO 10011 helps organizations to demonstrate their commitment to operational excellence and overall performance. By adopting a structured approach to auditing management systems, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, and stakeholder trust. This enhances their reputation, builds trust with stakeholders, and ultimately leads to long-term sustainability. Furthermore, ISO 10011 provides a framework for organizations to integrate their auditing processes with their management systems, ensuring that auditing is an integral part of their operations. This integration enables organizations to identify opportunities for improvement and implement corrective actions, ensuring that their management systems are aligned with their strategic objectives. In terms of the auditing process, ISO 10011 provides guidelines for planning, conducting, and reporting audits. This ensures that audits are conducted in a consistent and reliable manner, providing a comprehensive evaluation of the management system. The standard also provides guidelines for auditing the entire management system, including its policies, procedures, and objectives, ensuring that the audit is comprehensive and effective. In conclusion, the primary objective of implementing ISO 10011 is to establish a structured approach to auditing management systems, enabling organizations to enhance their operational excellence and overall performance. By adopting a consistent and reliable approach to auditing, organizations can identify areas of strength and weakness, opportunities for improvement, and potential risks and threats, leading to improved productivity, quality, and customer satisfaction. The implementation of ISO 10011 also demonstrates an organization's commitment to operational excellence, continuous improvement, and stakeholder trust, enhancing its reputation and building long-term sustainability.